Going over this bad boy step by step, a type of enclosed space in a building, such as one between a drop ceiling and the structural ceiling. This is typically, there's two different levels of a ceiling. You have the structural, and then you have basically the part below it where you're covering any of the support beams, any insulation, any wires running through. That's the difference. So structural ceiling and then drop ceiling. So type of enclosed space in a building used for handling air is commonly referred to as a plenum space. This is going to be true. This already is factual. So knowing this, a special type of cabling with a fire-retardant jacket placed inside that space is known as Plenum-Rated cabling. This is also true. It makes sense, right? If you have a space, you would title what goes in that space kind of what it is. So since the space is known as a plenum, the cabling has to be plenum-rated. Materials from which the plenum-rated cable cover is made out of include low-smoke polyvinyl chloride, this is PVC, and Fluorinated Ethylene Polymer, FEP. These are both true. These are the materials that will make up this cabling. What's most important is that it's a fire retardant. That's what you should take away from this. Plenum, it's in spaces where it's typically air handling, and it needs to be plenum rated, which is fire retardant, because you don't want that electrical stuff catching on fire inside of there. It would be really bad. So that would be true.